How do you find your true north? The Sankhya philosophy gives a framework. There are 6 types of personalities you need to discover. At first, you belong to which type of personality, because your body, your vital energy, it is already aligned to your type of personality, because your energies and body corresponds to that, the larger intelligence. But your mind is got hijacked by peer pressure, societal pressure, or whatever you read or heard from others, or the so-called motivators are hijacked your mind. So the first thing first, you need to recognize what is your personality. Then you align yourself mentally to that personality. So now what happened? Your mind is aligned. Anyway, your vital energy and your body is aligned to that personality. Once this happens, now you are fully available to your goal or your mission or your path. You're bodily available, your vital energies are oriented, and now your mind also aligned towards your true north. So once your body, mind, and energies are aligned towards your true north, you have a higher chances of getting success, feeling happy, and feeling fulfilled in your life.